Once again, a very good afternoon to all of you. Ma'am, before saying anything much, first of all, let me congratulate you for a very, very effective presentation, though I have been to many presentations. But I'll just point out the feedback in points. First one is I love the interactive mode of your webinar, which I feel that though at many presentations we start with being an interactive mode, but even what I felt different was that throughout the session it was an interactive mode. So that is one thing which I loved it. And the second thing is I was really impressed with the genuine efforts you were taking to sustain the attention of the very few audience that was waiting for your words. So you were all the time taking those extra genuine efforts to sustain our attention throughout and make us remain on the topic. Very systematically presented, and very important is that you connected with the audience very well. That is, and the time, though the time factor of 3 hours in fact was a limitation for many, but that was overcome because of your genuine efforts. And the sound modulation part, I loved it, how you modulated your sound for various slides. And the last but not the least, I would like to summarize my feedback in one sentence. Ms. Aditi, you are an efficient leader who has led us, who has enlightened us towards thoughtful leadership. So please keep it up. God bless. Thank you, ma'am.